How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you set WhatsApp profile picture without losing its quality. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application WhatsApp with your account. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp with your account, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the setting option just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon, and now from here tap on edit photo. Okay, so from here tap on the option choose photo, and now from this section you'll have to choose the picture whom you want to add as an profile picture. So make sure that you have the pictures with the HD quality. So for that you'll have to just select the HD quality pictures whom you want to set as an WhatsApp profile picture. So in my case I am selecting this one. Alright, so after you select the image, you'll get such interface. So from here, you can move and scale the image for your WhatsApp picture. So after you done it, you'll have to just tap on the choose option just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so after you tap on that option, you'll be easily set a WhatsApp profile picture in your WhatsApp account without losing its quality. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.